Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump gates in Star Citizen. First, ensure your ship is equipped with a jump drive and has enough quantum fuel. Navigate your ship to within 10 kilometers of the jump gate. Once in range, target the jump gate and initiate the jump sequence through your ship's MFD. This process will prepare your vessel for the intersystem journey, making travel across vast distances much quicker and more efficient. Before initiating a jump, a quick checklist is essential. Make sure your jump drive is fully spooled up and receiving power. Check your fuel levels. You'll need a minimum of 25% quantum fuel for most jumps. Crucially, open your Starmap and select your target star system. This pre-selection ensures the jump gate knows where you intend to go, streamlining the entire process for a smooth transition. Once prepared, approach the jump gate carefully, aligning your ship with its central aperture. Target the jump gate, then activate your jump drive via your ship's multi-function display. You'll see a countdown and a spool-up animation. During this critical phase, maintain a steady course and speed. Any sudden movements or loss of target can interrupt the jump, requiring you to restart the sequence from the beginning. Congratulations, you've successfully transited through the jump gate. Upon arrival in the new star system, your ship will exit quantum travel. Take a moment to assess your surroundings. Other ships or environmental hazards might be present. Open your star map again to plot your final course to a planet, station, or other point of interest within this new system. Enjoy exploring the vast universe of Star Citizen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.